Hello, good morning everyone. In last video we discussed about international organizations, which were very few, and today we'll discuss some more related information of international organizations. But before that, I want to tell you that as you know, this is static part, and changes may occur in the static part. Okay. If any change occurs, it would be in the president or the head of the particular organization. In case I found any changes in these two, I will inform you immediately in the next videos. Okay. Starting the session with some more related information of international organizations. I'll start with UNICEF. Okay. That is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, whose headquarters is in New York, United States. Executive Director is Henrietta H. Fore, who is from US. I repeat, the Executive Director Henrietta H. Fore, who is from US. Next, UNCTAD, that is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and the founder of this organization is United Nations General Assembly. It was founded on 30th December 1964. The head of this organization is Mukisa Kitui, who is from Kenya. Okay. Now the next one is United Nations General Assembly. It was founded in 1945. The headquarters of this organization is also in New York City, which is in United States. And the president of this organization is Volkan Bozkır, who is from Turkey, and he is recently appointed. Next one is AIIB, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, and its headquarters is in Beijing, China. And the president of this organization is Jean Likin, who is also from China. Now next one is Amnesty International, whose headquarters is in London, UK. The Secretary General is Kumi Naidu, who is from South Africa, and it was founded in July 1961. Okay. Next one is APEC, that is Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. Its headquarters is in Queenstown, Singapore. It was established in 1989, and the chairperson is Muhyiddin Yassin. Executive Director is Rebecca Fatima Santa Maria. Yes, the name is so big. Next one is FAO, that is Food and Agricultural Organizations. Now here I want to tell you that in case if you found any organization which is related to food, always remember it has its headquarters in Rome in Italy. So this organization has its headquarters in Rome, Italy. So it was founded on 16th October 1945, and the Director General is Q Dongyu, who is from China. Next one is IAEA, that is International Atomic Energy Agency, whose headquarters is in Vienna, Austria. Was founded on 29th July 1957, and the Director General is Rafael Grossi, who is from Argentina. And the last one is IGC, that is International Court of Justice. Its headquarters is in The Hague, Netherlands, and it was established in 1945, and the president of this organization is Abdul Qawi Yusuf. So for today I'm ending this session here. So thank you so much, and remaining part we will discuss in the next video.